So here's the deal, your job is pointless. Probably. In a world where productivity is often hailed as the ultimate goal, we're going to explore whether all that effort is truly worthwhile. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and join me in unraveling the hidden impact of pointless productivity. It might just change the way you view your day-to-day tasks. Welcome to Money Mastery. Let's talk about the busy trap. Ever feel like you're constantly on the move, doing a bunch of stuff, but wonder if any of it really matters? Well, you're not alone. We often get caught up in the idea that being busy means we're making progress. But is being busy the same as being productive? It's time to question that and figure out if our actions are truly moving us forward or if we're just stuck on a never-ending treadmill. And here's the kicker. Often, the most important tasks can get buried under a mountain of busyness. By taking a step back and reevaluating our priorities, we might discover that what truly matters is not the quantity of tasks, but the quality of impact they have on our goals and well-being. Now consider the meeting paradox. How many hours do we spend in meetings each week? And what's the real impact on our work? Are we fostering collaboration and innovation, or are we sinking into the abyss of unproductive discussions? Let's explore how to make meetings more purposeful and efficient. Now, meetings, they can be like a double-edged sword. On one hand, they're meant for collaboration and getting things done. On the other hand, ever found yourself wondering if you could have accomplished the same thing with a quick email? This is the meeting paradox, spending time talking about work instead of actually doing it. Next on our list is the routine rut. Daily rituals can be comforting, but are they really moving us closer to our goals? Or are we just caught up in the rhythm of going through the motions? It's time to break free from the monotony and reassess our habits. Let's dive into the world of routines and figure out how embracing change and variety can be the secret sauce to crafting a more fulfilling life. So, here's the scoop. Routines, like your favorite playlist, can be awesome, but playing the same songs over and over can get kinda dull, right? In the same way, our daily habits might be keeping us in a loop, and it's worth asking if we're thriving or just surviving. But hold on, we're not here to throw your favorite habits out the window. Instead, let's talk about a remix. Imagine your life as a playlist, each routine a song. By adding new tunes and rearranging the playlist, we might just discover a rhythm that resonates more with our goals and passions. So, are you ready to shake things up and hit shuffle? Now let's talk about the notorious email avalanche. We spend hours crafting, sending, and replying to emails, but are we really moving the needle? Or are we just contributing to the world of email chaos? Perhaps it's time to rethink our approach to communication and focus on quality over quantity. Consider this. Every email sent is like a message in a bottle thrown into the sea of digital communication. Are we tossing out meaningful messages that will reach the right shores, or are we just adding to the noise? Maybe it's time to declutter our inboxes, streamline our messages, and focus on what truly matters in our digital sea of communication. Before we move on, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights and practical tips coming your way. As we navigate through these aspects of our daily lives, it's essential to ask ourselves, what truly matters? Are we spending our time on activities that align with our values and aspirations? But fear not, it's not all doom and gloom. In the latter part of this video, we'll explore practical strategies to shift from pointless productivity to purposeful living. So grab a notepad and let's dive into the actionable steps that can transform your day-to-day grind into a journey filled with intention and meaning. Let's kick things off with the priority check. It's time to assess what truly matters to you. Take a moment to identify your core values and long-term goals. By understanding what's genuinely important, you can start aligning your tasks with your aspirations. It's like creating a roadmap for your day that leads to a destination that truly matters to you. Now, let's talk about the power of saying no. We often find ourselves overwhelmed with commitments that don't contribute to our goals. It's okay to decline tasks or opportunities that don't align with your priorities. Saying no is a powerful tool in crafting a life that reflects your values. It's about quality over quantity and ensuring your energy is invested where it truly counts. Next on the agenda is mindful time management. It's not just about squeezing more into your schedule. It's about making the most of the time you have. Break down your day into focused blocks and allocate time to tasks that align with your priorities. Embrace the Pomodoro technique or other time management methods to boost efficiency and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Let's also delve into the digital detox. Our screens often become portals to mindless scrolling and endless distractions. Consider setting designated times for checking emails and social media, allowing for more focused and intentional use of your digital devices. Disconnecting from the digital noise can create space for meaningful reflection and connection with the world around you. Another key strategy is continuous learning. Invest time in acquiring new skills and knowledge that align with your interests and goals, whether it's through online courses, books, or workshops. Continuous learning keeps your mind engaged and propels you toward personal and professional growth. It's a proactive approach to staying relevant and fulfilled in your journey. As we wrap up this exploration of practical strategies, remember that the goal is not to do more, but to do what matters. By incorporating these actionable steps into your routine, you'll find yourself on a path to purposeful living. And hey, don't stress about implementing all of these at once. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant transformations over time. Before we conclude, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies resonates with you the most? And do you have any additional tips for living with purpose? Share your insights in the comments below, and let's create a community of intentional living. If you found value in the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that empowers you to live a life filled with purpose. This is Money Mastery, and we'll catch you on the journey to purposeful living. Until next time, stay intentional.